In Company Admin, we can view all users that are currently loaded on CloudQuote and create and maintain users within the system. Let's create a new user. Fill in the mandatory fields and other specific details you want to include. Add a user profile photo if you like, and save. The newly added user will receive a welcome email with details for installing and accessing CloudQuote. If you wish to remove a user from CloudQuote, simply detach the user. We can now provide security settings to the particular user and amend others. Once done, click Save. The users will only have access to their specific security rights when logging in to CloudQuote. CloudQuote. Click and easy.